Hey everyone, welcome back to Rabbit Learning. Do you know you can build websites using AI without spending a single penny? No monthly subscriptions, no hidden fees. It's completely free. Today we are going to set up a open source AI website builder that is completely locally on your machine. Before we dive into, let me show you what we're gonna actually build here. This is a fully functional AI website builder running locally. You can paste any website URL, choose a design style, and watch as it creates a brand new website with all the content and styling. The best part, it's using free AI models. You're not even paying per generation. Alright, here's what you will need in your computer for this. A computer with Node.js installed in it, 3 free API keys that we will get together, basic ability to copy and paste commands. Don't worry if you're not technical enough, I will walk you through in each and every step here.
For this, first of all, we need to grab the source code. To do that, search for Open Lovable, Firecrawl, GitHub. When you search it, you'll see a website called Firecrawl/Open Lovable on GitHub page. Here's the source code for that, and the installation instructions are here. You have to clone this. So what we'll do is copy this link and open a folder in your desktop. And here open a terminal. Right, git clone and paste that link here. It will clone the whole project into this local folder. Then inside this folder, write npm install. You can do this by using any code editor as well, like VS Code and all. But I'm directly doing it from the terminal. So after the dependencies are installed, let's just open it with the code editor. We will use VS Code for that. Open this folder in it, or you can just simply drag and drop this folder in VS Code like this. Okay, the whole folder is open in VS Code. So here is the env.example. Even if you go to the GitHub page, what it says is we need a env.local file with these API keys. So we won't be needing that much AI provider API keys. We will go with Grok API key here. And we will also need a Firecrawl API key. And another will be E2B Sandbox API key. These two are necessary to run this project. So let's create a env.local file. env.local file and put all the contents of that. Not all the contents. What you can do is just get this in the env.local file. We will name the Firecrawl API. We'll use a Grok API key as well. And the last one will be E2B API key, which will be this. We'll need these three API keys. So for that, we'll go to our browser again and search for E2B Sandbox. And this is the website for that. You just have to sign up with a new account. We'll do that. You can just do that with the Google account. After signing in for the API keys, go here, create an API key. You can name it anything you want. I will just name it open lovable creates. And here's the API key. Copy it as you won't be able to see it again. Now we'll put that key here in my env.local file. And also I have made a mistake. It's .env.local file. That's why icon is not appearing. Now it's good to go. So E2B API key is here. And now we'll also get the Firecrawl one. Firecrawl. For that, you have to go to the Firecrawl website. This is the Firecrawl website. Here you have to do the same thing. Basically, Firecrawl is a web scraper that scrapes the web for you as per your requirement. You can sign up with Google accounts similarly. After signing in, here's the API key you'll get. Let's just skip this. You can quickly skip or finish this. Set determined conditions. Finish. Now copy the API key and put it here. And as for the Grok API key, we have to go to the Grok's website. And this is the website for that Grok API. It has numerous models that you can try out with a single API key. So let's click on Start Building and log in with Google. After doing that, create an API key. And this is the API key. Let's copy it and paste it here. So all of my API keys are set up. So all of the API keys are here. Now I will delete all these API keys once the video is published. So don't try the same API keys. Generate your new ones. Now to run the project, you have to open the terminal. Create a new terminal, and we have already installed the dependencies. So now we'll only just do the npm run command. So on localhost 3000, here's our website. We'll go to localhost 3000 and see the project. Okay, here's the open lovable website. You can give any websites, and like here it is written, we imagine any website in seconds. So just paste any website's URL here, like let's just do with this Grok one. Paste it. You have numerous options here for as glass morphism, minimalistic, retro wave, dark mode. These are the styles you can use to build your website. Let's choose the minimalistic. And for the model, we use Kimi K2, Grok, and Scrape website. So what it will do is scrape that website for us and try to build that website's clone for us. It's analyzing the websites. Let's see what it do. And here you can see the website that it scrapes. Now it's writing some codes for it. This is the response from the AI. It's generating all the React app, I guess, code for that, and all that in JSX, JavaScript. Let's wait for the results. I've created so many components here. And applying that to the sandbox to show the results. And you can see the results. It has even captured the color palette of that website and all, and created a also a photo, created a beautiful looking website. It is minimalistic as I have chose that style to make this. So here's your open lovable. You can build websites here as well for completely free, as you can see the results here. This whole process would normally cost you credits on paid platforms, but here it is completely free. That's why it is also called open lovable. If this tutorial helped you save money on expensive AI tools, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what website you are replicating first. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.